Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Gemini from your phone. First, understand that removing an app can mean either uninstalling it completely or simply disabling it, depending on your device and the app's nature. We'll cover both Android and iOS methods, ensuring you have clear steps to manage the Gemini application on your device effectively. Let's get started with the specifics for each operating system. For Android users, begin by finding the Gemini app icon. Press and hold it until a menu appears, offering options such as uninstall or disable. If you choose to uninstall, the app and its data will be removed from your device. If uninstall is not available, disabling the app will prevent it from running, though it will remain on your phone. Remember, disabling can be a good option for pre-installed apps that cannot be fully uninstalled. On iOS devices, the process is straightforward. Locate the Gemini app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the icon until all the apps start to jiggle. Then, tap the small minus symbol that appears in the top left corner of the Gemini icon. A prompt will ask you to confirm. Select Delete App to remove it completely from your iPhone or iPad. This action also deletes associated data. It's important to note that simply removing the Gemini app from your phone does not delete your Gemini account or any associated cloud data. If you wish to manage your data, you may need to visit your Google account settings. If you decide to keep the app, regularly review its permissions to control its access to your device. Also, explore other AI assistants if you need a different option. Keeping your phone's operating system updated can also help manage app behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.